Hi everyone, so today I wanted to do a little deep cleaning of my kitchen and do a little styling for the fall season. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. I'm Raquel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and for all you guys that are returning, thank you so very much for rocking out with me on yet another video. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you here on my lifestyle channel. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start here in my kitchen on the dishes, and then I'll move about and start cleaning the stove and cleaning out this refrigerator. It is well past due for it. Let me know in the comments if you can relate. You guys, I had to come back and just rave about having an air fryer here in our home. It is one of the best decisions. World of difference. It just makes our food easier to prep. The kids are good with it, so I can highly recommend you guys checking out getting an air fryer, and having a cordless vacuum is like life-changing for your home.
The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss. And in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen my knives. That's what you see me doing here. I just have this little gadget thing that I picked up when I was overseas, but it's just a knife sharpener. I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place. I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb. 'Cause I just wanna be here in our home.
Now it's time to clear everything out of my refrigerator. It is well past time to give it a deep clean, and I'm going to use this cute pop-up bucket that I found on Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it below, but I just love it. It just makes it so convenient to fill it up with some hot water and a little bit of bleach to kill any bacteria or germs that may be lingering around in the refrigerator. But that's what I'm going to do. If I can find the bucket again, I will link it below.
It's just like the saying, you don't know what you got till it's gone. But now I know in my hometown, running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You see, you make
Alrighty, so here goes my cleaned out refrigerator. And you guys may know that I added this in because it just makes life so much easier when you have like fruit cups and like individual items that you just don't want roaming around your refrigerator. So I placed that in there, and then we have extra eggs there and my freezer. you guys know this is quarantine life, so a lot of stuff that they can just eat in between, you know, first class. A lot of frozen things that we get from like Sam's Club, chicken patties and veggies and stuff like that. So that is pretty much what's in here. So this is all the food. This is the second bag that was tossed out from cleaner refrigerator, and then this bag over here. So yeah, a ton of food wasted.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn.
Alright, you guys, so finally I have my kitchen clean, and it's time to style a few little centerpieces here for the countertop. So I'm so excited for it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is the first little styling, and this is really cute, but I just wanted to add a little bit of like more jewel tones. So I found these little berries from Walmart, literally like $1. Okay, here's some number 2 styling. Okay, so here it goes, the second styling of the counter. I leave it at an angle because I find that it's easier for my family to sit here and eat without have to move the tray every time. So I find that just placing it at like a little angle down here, it works. It's better. So this can stay out the way, and you know, we can just move the little cookie jar out the way, but the tray down here at an angle, it frees up so much space for everybody to eat here. So I love that. Okay, so this one is going to be the last one, and ginger jars are really popular right now. So adding a ginger jar into your kitchen is definitely a great idea. So I'm going to just add some florals. I found these at Target, so I don't know what they call. I forgot what they're called, but they're absolutely amazing. I've been wanting to use them all fall. just simply having baked goods out on your counter is definitely fall vibes. It is warm and cozy just to come and have some beautiful, like, they can be store-bought, it doesn't matter. Just having some displayed out for your friends and family to eat is also so fall vibes, so cozy. Well, I want to thank you so very much for rocking out with me on this beautiful video. If you enjoy this clean and like styling video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so very much once again, and I will speak to you guys on the next one.